Alright, Brainiacs, welcome back to Brain Fart Bros. Last time we introduced you to smart prompting. Now it's time to take things up a notch. Make ChatGPT do the heavy lifting while you sip your coffee and pretend like you're working.
Exactly. This round's about efficiency. 5 hacks that save hours, cut clutter, and turn ChatGPT into your unpaid intern. So if you've ever said, "I wish there were 2 of me," congratulations, there are now.
Hack 6. Stop dumping long essays of request. ChatGPT isn't your therapist, it's a problem solver. Break down tasks like you're delegating to 5 interns. Example on screen. 1. List business plan sections. 2. Expand section 1. 3. Draft executive summary. Each round it sharpens focus because it's tackling one target.
It's like feeding it snacks instead of a 3-course meal. Same calories, better digestion. Quality goes up and confusion goes down.
Hack 7. Don't trust ChatGPT. Well, its first answer. Treat every reply as version 1. Then say, improve this with clear structure and examples. Half of AI mastery is learning how to bully it politely.
You're not repeating questions, you're refining its results. Each loop is a revision cycle. The output keeps leveling up till it finally sounds like it has a PhD.
Okay, yeah, you could trust it, but only after that. Hack 8. Your new best friend for lazy days. Summarization. Drop-in reports, YouTube transcripts, even long emails. Tell it exactly how you want to condense the chaos. Example. Summarize into 5 key takeaways under 20 words each. Turn this study into bullet point slides.
Perfect for research, briefs, or pretending you read that 200-page client complaints. Just don't upload your entire life story. Remember hack 6, snacks only.
Hack 9. Treat ChatGPT like your actual assistant. Assign it a role. You're my executive assistant. Manage my schedule, draft follow-ups, summarize meetings. Mine even reminds me to drink water and stop over-editing videos.
Since it remembers context within a chat thread, it can handle ongoing tasks. Tone, logic, everything. Basically a PA that never sleeps.
Until it starts judging you for asking what you should get for lunch too often. Hack 10. Stack your tools like dominoes. Use ChatGPT to outline, Notion AI to refine, and Canva to design. And congrats, you've just built yourself an AI assembly line. Once it's set up, you'll be producing blog posts, graphics, and summaries while sipping your overpriced latte.
Just don't let your boss find out or they'll replace you and the whole team with your setup. Let's hope he isn't watching this too. So there you go, productivity and workflow hacks done. 10 minutes of setup that can save you hours every week, if you actually use them. And if you don't, I'll make ChatGPT write you an angry letter about wasted potential.
Next up, we move from working smart to earning smart. Part 3, business and creativity hacks, where AI meets money, marketing, and making impact. Subscribe if you haven't, and drop your favorite hack below.